Hello fellow citizens of this planet, my name is Erig and in this video we are gonna do this drawing. Okay, so first thing first, we are gonna do this big circle of diameter of 96. So choose a circle, center diameter, click and choose and type 96. Okay, now we are gonna do this small circle of radius of 12. So big center and radius, click, type 12. Now just click on the circle, type M for move command, pick this quadrant and take it here. Now we are gonna do this circle of radius of 24. So choose a circle, radius, click, type 24, click on a circle, M for command move, and just move it here. Now we are gonna do the circle of 36. So choose a circle and a radius, click, 36, click on the circle, type M for move, and move the circle. Okay, but now we need to cut this with line. Escape. So we choose line and cut it, yes? Now we are gonna do trim command, so type TR, enter, and click on this, and this line, and hit enter one more time. Now we are gonna do this really simple mirror command, so click on this line, and this line, hit enter, click on this quadrant, and just hit F8 for ortho mode, and just move your mouse this way. Do you want to erase source object? Nope. And we are gonna mirror it one last time. So choose a mirror, click on this line, on this line, hit enter, and just mirror it this way, hit no. Yep. Okay, so now we are gonna do the same thing but with line, okay. And now we are gonna trim it, but this time this part. Okay, now we're just gonna click on your left mouse button and drag it like this. Click one more time and hit M for move command. Hit enter. Choose this quadrant and just slice it here. And now we can erase. We can erase this line. So choose this line. Hit enter, and we done it. Look at it. It's easy. It's beautiful. Okay, and don't forget the last but most important step, and save it so you don't lose it. Okay, so that's enough for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it and have a nice day.